Welcome back to another Tech Tip by Appliance video. Today we will look at the 8 most common refrigerator noises.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Sometimes our refrigerators produce some bizarre sounds, but it doesn't always mean that the unit is defective. Let's look at the 8 most common refrigerator noises and determine what they mean. Number 1, compressor noise. Today's refrigerators are built with smaller and more efficient compressors. These are not louder, but produce a higher pitched sound. Number 2, evaporator fan motor noise. The evaporator fan motor circulates air to the fresh food and freezer department. These fans can sometimes be loud or have a slight vibration noise. Number 3, refrigerator cabinet vibration. This noise can occur if the refrigerator is not level or if the refrigerator is installed on a weak floor base. Number 4, sizzling noise. You wouldn't think that your refrigerator would sound like grilling food. However, this can occur when the refrigerator goes into the defrost mode. The defrost heater will turn on every 5 to 8 hours to defrost the evaporator coil to prevent frost from developing on it. Number 5, popping or cracking sounds. These sounds may occur as metal parts expand and contract when the freezer temperatures get below 0. No need to worry that something is cracking, this sound is perfectly normal. Number 6, bubbling or gurgling sounds. These noises can occur from the refrigerant flowing from the system as it boils and condenses. Number 7, a water dripping sound. This sound can occur when water drips into the defrost pan under the refrigerator. In a defrost cycle, when the heater comes on, it will melt the existing frost off the evaporator coil, causing a small amount of water to go through a drain tube and into the drain pan. While this sound is completely normal, it is advised to check for water leaks once in a while. And finally, number 8, clicking noises. A clicking noise can occur when a manual defrost timer goes into the defrost cycle. You will hear a loud clicking noise and the refrigerator will shut down for a period of 8 minutes to 35 minutes while the evaporator coil is defrosting. These are the most common refrigerator sounds that we typically tune out. So the next time that you hear some of these strange noises coming from your kitchen, you can rest assured that your refrigerator is working away. If you've heard any other strange sounds coming from your fridge, share it in the comments below. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.